Welcome to Rise Again Network. My name is Nkechi Ibe, and today I want to talk about a video I came across on TikTok. It's about a lady. This lady is about a lady and a comment someone left under her post. That comment was, someone said, "Madam, you look drained." Another said, "I hate women having more than one or two kicks," because clearly this woman was or is going through a lot. Like, life happened to her. And then the woman was replying to the comments on her post, on her video. And I came across that page and I was drawn at this woman's confidence. She is confident that she will rebuild her life again, that she will rebuild her business again, that she will rise again. She was telling these people in her section that they shouldn't worry, that the woman they see today will definitely rebuild her life, will definitely rise again. And I couldn't stop myself from leaving a comment, and I hugged her virtually and I said, "Yeah, go woman. I know you're going to rebuild. I know you're going to rise again. I know your story will inspire, right? As it is already inspiring other women who are going through the same or similar situation, that they should not let that be the end. They should not let people remember them for someone who was once doing well and then suddenly crashed and stayed down forever." So this man was sharing about how she was running a multi-million health business. She mentioned where her shop was in a choice location, and that she and her partner were doing very, very well before life happened, before failure came and situation and everything changed. And that's in this particular community, that is what I keep talking about. Failure will come, challenges will come, setbacks will come, but that should not put a final definition or full stop to your life. Let people watch you rebuild. Do not be ashamed to go back to the beginning. Do not be ashamed to rebuild from scratch again. And one of the practical ways you can rebuild or rebrand or get yourself back again is by going back to go back and take up the jobs that ordinarily you won't do. I don't mean, I mean jobs that still has your dignity intact, right? There is dignity in labor. What are we talking about? Go back and do those jobs. Go and get a job. You can go back to 9 to 5 job. You can start small again. You can go to family and friends for support, just to rebuild again, just to rise again. There is no shame in that. Nobody should shame you. I was so happy seeing this woman going back to starting again from the beginning. Like, she started taking up some, like, I think that right now she's doing some cleaning jobs, like helping people clean their houses, wash clothes, so that she can earn little and support herself and her kids. And that is, I commend her a lot, because there's something people don't know, that there's something failure does to you, especially if you're someone who have tested success and then things not change. There's something failure does to you. But look at it in the face and tell her or him, whatever you choose to call yours, tell her that, man, you can't stop me. Yes, I've been up and now I'm done, but I have to start building from down again. There's no shame in taking up small jobs again. There's no shame in going back to 9 to 5. There's no shame in starting very little again. Even drop shipping, just make sure you earn something, save up and bounce back again. You don't know where your breakthrough will come from. You don't know who will recommend you, because when you're folding your arms, nobody will see you now. Nobody will come to your door and knock and say, I have a job for you. You have to put yourself out there, right, for people to see. And this is me speaking to everyone in similar situation. If you've seen yourself at 0, if you've seen yourself at 5 when you were at 100 before, my dear, please do not let anybody's saying or whatever or mockery stop you. Go back and start again. Like that woman, you will rebuild again. Like me, you will rebuild again. Like several women who have experienced failure and rebuilt their life. I talked about Oprah Winfrey sometime this week. You all know her story. I talked about women. Okay, I talked about Viola Davis, someone that came from poverty, and today she's a global icon. Start from somewhere. Go back to the beginning. Do not be shy. Do not, what people, let them talk. Who cares what they say? Please go back and start doing something again. Your story will inspire. That I know. That woman, I'll keep watching her. I'll keep watching her journey, and I know that definitely she will rebuild her life. She will bounce back again, and tomorrow her story will inspire. Just like I'm using her story to talk to you, to motivate you, to inspire you to go out there to rebuild your life. Do not let what happened be the final definition, because there is still something good waiting for you in future. Please do not give in. Do not give up. Do not give in to failure. Do not give in to frustrations and depression. Tell yourself that if I can build before, I can build again. And definitely I know you will. Just like every other great woman who have experienced failure and rebuilt their life, so will you rebuild. So will everyone in similar situation rebuild. So please go out there, take up that job, start that business again, go back and learn that skill. If you want to go into tech, start from with your phone. Your phone is enough for you to start before you get a laptop. Please do something different. Please, but do not stay down. And I know you will rebuild, you will bounce back, and your story will inspire. Thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, please subscribe, like, and comment. Also share this channel with anyone who you feel or know is going through similar situation. We are here to build together, to rise together. We are here to cheer each other up, and we are here to tell our story so that you or anyone going through similar situation will pick up courage, will pick up motivation to rebuild and start again. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.